Hello everyone. Next we can go to the next sum of the chapter 3, page number 36. That is question number 4. A 3.5 meter long rod is to be cut into two pieces. One piece is to be bent into a square and the other into an equilateral triangle. The length of their sides must be the same. How should it be cut? In this question, they are given a rod. The length of that rod is 3.5 meter. We want to cut into two pieces. One piece we have to make into square and another piece we want to make into equilateral triangle. Then one more condition they are telling. The length of their sides must be same. That means the side of the square and the side of the equilateral triangle is also same. See, the rod length is 3.5 meter. That is same as perimeter. Here the square I make and a equilateral, all the sides are equal in the square also and in the equilateral also. Now in square how many x are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. We can write 4x, or we know the perimeter of square is 4 into side, that is 4x. Now in equilateral there are 3 equal sides, so we can say 3x. So what is the perimeter now? Perimeter is equal to 4x, that is for the square, and 3x, that is for the equilateral triangle. So total how much? 4 plus 3, we will get 7x. So perimeter is equal to 7x. We have to cut this rod into two pieces. So here perimeter they are given 3.5 meter. 3.5 meter is equal to 7x. So one thing we can do, we can change this into improper fraction, that is 3 into 2, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. 7 by 2 is equal to 7x. So what is x? X equal to 7 by 2 is there. Here x is multiplication. That means it will go to division. Or we can say it as this is numerator part, it will go to denominator part. So we can cut this 7, 7. So the answer will come x equal to half meter. Now for square, how much rod? For square, how much length is needed? 4x. 4x means 4 into 1 by 2. That is, we can cancel 2, here 2. So we get 2 meter. 2 meter is 4 square. Now we can write for equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle how much? Three into x. That is equal to 3 into what is x? We get x is half. So 3 into 1 by 2. That is 3 by 2. We can write in mixed number. 3 by 2. That is 1 time 2. That is balance 1. So we can write so we will get the answer, and quotient is 1. So we can write 1 upon 2. That is 1.5 meter for making equilateral triangle. Actually, this much of calculation is not needed. Directly we can go because we know 3.5 meter is perimeter. Then from that 2 meter is needed for this square. So we can directly, you can minus 3.5 minus 2.5. Here whole numbers this side, so we can directly write 3 minus 2, that is 1. Then 1/2 is the, that's all. Likewise also we can write. Next question. Question number 5. The distance travelled in t seconds by an object starting with a speed of u meter per second and moving along a straight line with speed increasing at the rate of a meters per second. Every second is given by ut plus half at square meters. An object moving in this manner travels 10 meters in 2 seconds and 28 meters in 4 seconds. With what speed did it start? At what rate does its speed change? So, this question is related with the physics topic. Distance traveled, they are given. That is 10 meters in 2 seconds. Then another, the same thing, moving 4 seconds, that distance traveled 28 meters. So with this data we want to find the speed and what is change in speed. Here they are given the formula for distance. S equal to ut plus half at square. T is time and u is the initial velocity or speed, or a is the acceleration. So we want u and t. Here the two situations they are given. One is distance travelled is 10 meter in 2 seconds. So using this data we can find what is, we can get one equation. Let's see. So here S is 10. 10 equal to, what is u we don't know, and time we know, that is 2 seconds, plus we can write seconds here, so no confusion. So u into t is 2 plus half into a we don't know, then t is 2, so 2 square, that is 4. Now we can write 10 equal to 2 into u, that is 2u, plus we can cancel this 1 2 here, so we will get 2a. This we can put equation 1. Now we can use this data, that is S equal to 28. S equal to 28. So we can use this distance formula. U into t, what is time here? That is 4, plus half into a into time square. What is time? 4 seconds. 4 square. That we can write it as 4 into 4. Okay. Now we can cancel this 2 here one time. Here 2 we can cut. 2 2s are 4. Now we will get the formula 28 equal to 4u plus 2 into 4, 8a. That is equation 2. Now we can write this equation here. Now I write that equation. 2u plus 2a equal to 10. 4u plus 8a equal to 28. Now we want to solve. That means we want to find the value of u and a. For that, we want to make this coefficient same or this coefficient. So this is small and it is small number, we can multiply with 2. So we can multiply 2 into equation 1. So what will happen? 2 into 2, 4u plus 2 into 2, 4a equal to 2 into 10, 20. Another equation we get, that equation 3. Now we are not changing this equation because the coefficient of u is same. So we can cancel that. So no need of changing there. Now what we have to do? We have to subtract equation 3 minus 2 or equation 2 minus 3. Anyway you can subtract. So if we subtract, we have to put one minus and a bracket of this. That means each term we multiply with the minus. So plus minus will change to minus. Here also plus minus will change to minus. Plus minus change to minus. So the sign of 28 will come minus. Now plus 4u minus 4u, that cancel. Now plus 4 minus 8, that is minus 4a. That is equal to 20 minus 28, that is minus 8. This both sign will cancel, that means 4a equal to 8. We want a equal to 8 by 4. So we will get a equal to 2 meter per second. Now we want u. We want to find u. In any equation we can apply. So here there is one equation, is this first equation. Where is the first equation? Okay. 2u, we don't know u. 2u plus 2a. A is 2. That is equal to 10. That is equation number 1. Now we will get 2u equal plus 4 equal to 10. Now 2u equal to 10 minus 4. We will get 6. That is u equal to 6 by 2. That is equal to 3 meter per second.